This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the image format on the Microsoft Snipping Tool. You can change it to either PNG, JPEG, or a GIF file. I will be using a Windows 11 PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now and I have the Snipping Tool opened up. To change your image format in the Snipping Tool, the easiest way to do it, I'm going to click on New. I'm going to start an image here. Say that I wanted to save that image there. Now this little dialog box will open up, and in the dialog box go down to where it says Save As. Click on Save As. Another little dialog box will open up here asking you where you want to save it on your device. You can rename the file right here, and down below that, Save As Type. As you can see, I'm currently set to PNG, but you could just click this drop down. You can change it to a JPG or a GIF file. I'm going to change it to a JPG. I'm going to click on Save. And that is how you change your image format in the Snipping Tool. Thanks for watching.